Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Mac took the 10-hour trip with his wife from Indiana to New Jersey to get the audio upgrade on his bike. He's friends with Dwayne and his crew who've been down here a couple of times. To get the audio upgrade on their bikes, so it was his turn now. So he came originally for a 4-speaker setup. After hearing a few bikes, ended up going with the 6-speaker stage 3 high power with the 8-inch woofers in the bags. He was on the fence, going back and forth. Dwayne told him not to come back home without bass on the bike, and he took his advice, and that's what he did. He hung out for a couple of days, him and his wife, a friend of his. They stayed in a hotel. They went to the city, hung out in Manhattan, checked out Times Square, checked out the World Trade Center Memorial, had some New York style pizza, explored the subway. So they made a weekend of it. It was cool hanging out with them, and we built the bike, put it together for him. The bike sounds amazing. Really cool guy. We was super appreciative. We got to talk for a while, hang out. I really appreciate that they take the sacrifice to come all this way for us to put together a sound system for them. It's something that I'll never take for granted. I'm truly grateful that we're that popular across the entire United States and that people trust us, and we try to make the trip worthwhile for them, because I know it's a huge expense and a burden on the family. So pretty sure we made them happy. The bike sounds really good, and check out the build. The bike's a brand new 2023 Street Glide. We ended up going with the factory head unit flashed, NVS Audio T-harness, HCAM Mini DSP, Cicada CH 6.5 in the fairing, Hertz 690 Neos in the lids, Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4 in the fairing, and a Sound Digital Evo X2 1600.1 in the fairing. Dubiee bass knob with the clip indicator, and a Limitless Nano HD upgraded lithium battery to round the whole thing out.
Oh yeah, that's the one. Let me talk to you. One call, 2 calls, 3 calls. Is that what I do to you? You're outside my door, scared to be alone. I know you're addicted to. Hey,
Let's go. Attention, please. This shit here feels like a whole entire world collapse. Motherfucker. Bust the rhyme now. MOP now. What you want now? What you want now?
Ladies and gents.
Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love. This is how we do. We make a move and act the fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love.
Fresh like Impala, chrome hydraulics, 808 drums. You don't want none, better run. When beef is on, I pop that drum. Come get Mary Jane. No matter what I take, I feel the same. I've been bound by these shackles and chains, a man of convictions. Damn, these addictions just can't be tamed. So lately I'm drowning my pain with a bottle and Mary Jane. Coming down the back road, a cloud of fat smoke rolling out my window. Even though I'm damaged, I'm standing.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Mac took the 10-hour trip from Indiana to New Jersey to get the audio upgrade on his bike. Was the trip completely worth it?
Oh, absolutely.
Do you love the way the bike sounds?
I love it.
Awesome. You glad Dwayne talked you into it?
Absolutely.